Hi, I'm Katie from Shop Wild Things. I am thrilled to let you know that we now carry 8 different styles of holder bases for our giant flowers. So this is the original base that we've carried. It has a black base, it's metal, and it has a metal tube, and then right here there are 2 rings. So you slip the flower inside, and then these 2 rings will hold them upright. This size and this style will hold our flowers up to 64 inches tall. So this ring here, the diameter is big enough to hold the 64-inch flowers. We have this style in a single in black, in a triple in black, in a single in white, and in a triple in white as well. We're always adding styles as customers ask for them, or as we get new ideas. So this is what we have right now. We've also just added a brand new tall tube style in a single, in a triple, and in one that holds 5 flowers. In the description of this style, we'll tell you exactly which flowers that they can hold. But the purpose of this one with this big tall tube was so that we had something that could be held in place that could hold our 80-inch tall flowers, because those were really too big for our other stands. These would topple over. So that's the reason that we designed these, and they're awesome. The one that holds 5, that has 5 tubes, will hold an 80-inch flower, a 64-inch flower, and then of course all the rest of them. And just read the description. We'll tell you everything that you need to know. We can't wait to see how you use these. Please do let us know how they work out for you. And if you have any other suggestions or questions or requests. Thank you so much. Okay, this is our single black stand. You'll see that it has a black metal base and it has a tube here with 2 holders. This will hold any of our flowers up to 64 inches. We have a similar stand that in black that has 3 holders, and it can also hold our flowers up to 64 inches tall. Those 2 stands are also available in white. So same concept, but a white stand. These are 64-inch flowers here that are all being held by those stands. And then of course the shorter flowers can be held. We've just added some new stands. These are for our tallest 80-inch flowers. It's a single stand with a very beautifully done black metal base and a tube. You just screw that tube into the base and it'll hold an 80-inch flower. We have the same stand in a triple. So this stand will hold one 80-inch flower and then any of the other flowers in it as well. We added a green base with short tubes. So these short tubes will allow you to hold up to a 64-inch tall flower. And of course all of the shorter flowers. And the final stand that we've just added, I'm sorry this is so shaky, is the 5 tube stand. So it's a black base with 5 black tubes. This one will hold 2 of our tallest flowers. So you can move these tubes around however you want to. They come unassembled, so you can choose where you'd like for them to be. But this tallest tube will hold an 80-inch tall flower. This tube here will hold up to 64-inch flower. And then these 3 will hold any of the shorter flowers. So I'm going to come back here, kind of give you the overall look of the appearance of each. Now these tubes here that are on the original stand style, you can move these around. So as you position your display, if you want to see more of just the green stem, you can do that if you'd like to. But we have a number of options. We've had customers ask for white, black, and green, so that's what we have so far, and we'll be adding more.